Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change country on Western Union account. If you want to change your location or your country on Western Union, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open a web browser of your preference. Now go to the URL box and type in westernunion.com and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your Western Union account by entering your login credentials. After signing into your account, go to the upper right hand corner of the screen and click on the hamburger menu option at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings tab, scroll down and go to Country. Click the drop down right next to Sending From and select the country or location you'd like to change to. After you are done, click on Yes and you will be able to change your country or location for your Western Union account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.